Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and I'm so excited about today's box because it is another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on video. So my plan in this video is to unbox this Stitch Fix subscription box. It's a mystery box. If you need information on how Stitch Fix works, I have that all in the description section below. But I'm going to unbox this with you. I love a good surprise and mystery box. Then I'm going to try everything on. Then we're going to look at the prices, and I'm hoping you will help me make decisions about what I should keep from this Stitch Fix. Let me give you a little bit of details about me and what I'm looking for so that we can determine whether this was a great fix or if my stylist still needs a few notes. So I'm 44 years old, so I'm asking for more mature women's clothing. I've sent them some notes about that. However, I'm a California boho girl. I'm looking for things with embroidery, lace, crochet, fun ethnic prints. And I'm also looking for fall and winter stuff. My last couple of fixes, I felt like they could have been more geared towards fall and winter, so I am looking for some sweaters and things like that. And last but not least, I've let them know I want a pair of heavily embroidered jeans, maybe by Driftwood or Free People. I'm interested in higher end brands, not only the Stitch Fix house brands. So I've written my stylist a couple notes. So let's see how she did on this box. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's lift this beauty out of the box. I have to be honest, you guys, my first reaction was, that box is really small. How am I going to get winter and fall stuff in such a small box? So I'm hoping I'll be surprised. So this is what it looks like. Here's my Stitch Fix roll. Here we go. Okay, so this is so me, these prints here, just letting you know. And I do see denim. I'm hoping they're more of like an embroidered pair. Oh my gosh. And what's this? Okay, so this is new to me. I'm assuming this is a jewelry box. I've never gotten jewelry. I'm not opposed to it, but I'm pretty selective about what I wear. I'm a turquoise girl. So should we start with this one? Just because it's like, I've never got a piece of jewelry and I didn't expect it. Pretty cute little packaging. And this is the Samara clustered teardrop earrings. Let's see. Okay, this is a total fail. Let's do that again. I just wanted to show you what they look like in the box because I always think that's fun. These say handmade with love and they're pretty gorgeous. I don't know if I would have chosen these myself, but I'm definitely going to model these for you and you can let me know what you think. Handmade with love, and they're all sorts of stones. I like that they're gold tone and silver tone. And there's a little note in here. Handcrafted semi-precious jewelry. That's fun. I didn't expect that. And this will be, I assume, one of my 5 items. Okay, I have to, like, this print right here is killing, no, this one. This print right here is killing me. I've got to get into this. Oh my gosh. All I can say is yes. Like, that print in colors is so good for me, and I love a good peasant top, so I'm hoping that's what this is. I really like it. Okay, so this is Daniel Rain. I've got Daniel Rain in other Stitch Fix boxes. It can be a little expensive for what it is, and I should tell you right away, I'm a thrift store girl. on my channel, you'll find a lot of thrift hauls and a lot of unboxings. I love thread-up mystery boxes. I love buying wholesale. So if you like that kind of stuff, unboxings, make sure you're subscribed and that you've turned on the bell so you get my next unboxing video. But I'm a thrifter, so I'm kind of used to thrift store prices. So sometimes the prices on these seem high for me. Oh my gosh, though. I love the sleeves. This is so nice. I can't wait to try it on for you. Okay, I have to go for this one next. This has been so fun. Do you guys do Stitch Fix? Let me know in the comments what your experience is. This is relatively new. I've done maybe 4 or 5 boxes. I started doing it in 2020 because let's admit it, not been a good year in a lot of ways, and I needed a little fun. So even though it can be a little pricey, I wanted to do it for myself. What is this? I see fringe and tassels, which I love. Lily Pulitzer. Wow, I don't think of myself as a Lily Pulitzer girl, to be honest. I think of it as more like a little bit preppy, but what is this? This is pretty. Size medium. It's a long open knit cardigan with a fringy detail. It's so bright white. I wear a lot of white and ivory. I don't have anything this bright white. Okay, I'll try that on for you. I love this print. I just love it, love it, love it. I did ask for silky feeling tops. I am a part-time reseller on eBay and Posh. That's why I love all this fashion stuff. But I'm a full-time psychotherapist, so I wear these kind of blouses, you know, paired with a nicer pair of jeans or trousers or something. So I need them for work, but they also are fun for my YouTube videos. Another Daniel Rain. I did request Joie. The reason I requested the brand Joie is it's silk, not polyester. Feels like silk, but I know those tops can be in the hundreds of dollars. This is awesome. Oh, it's like a long silky tunic top with a great print. And it's like, I feel like they're gonna feel good on. Okay, here's the denim. Please be something good. I've actually really liked the denim that I've got from Stitch Fix. I've bought 2 pairs of jeans already. Something about the Stitch Fix jeans, friends, is that they're super soft and comfortable. So this is what this looks like. They look like they have some wash and no embroidery. I was really hoping for an embroidery pair. I've written a note to them several times saying heavily embroidered, and I know I've seen some other women get the embroidered jeans. These are the brand I'm looking for, Driftwood, but the reason I was looking for that brand is because they do a ton of boho embroidery stuff. These don't have any special details. They do have a flare. I like the wash, but these are probably going to be extremely expensive. If you're not familiar with Driftwood, they can be hundreds of dollars, and so they look like they have a nice high rise. I'm so excited to try this on. that little try on was fun for me. How was it for you? Now we have to get down to some business. I've got my envelope. I'm going to let you know what the prices are so that we can decide. So, let's see. Okay, so this box wasn't even that expensive. I'm surprised it's not as expensive as some of my other boxes. And this one had Driftwood and Lily Pulitzer. So the total on all of this box is $390. But with Stitch Fix, if you decide to buy 5 of 5, all 5 items, you get 25% off, which is a huge incentive. So if I bought everything in this box, the total would be $292.50. So let's start with these earrings. These are really beautiful. I would wear these. I have a feeling that they might be expensive because they're handcrafted, but let's see. The Samara clustered teardrop earrings in tan. Oh, they're only $38. I think that's a really good price. So this top by Daniel Rain, the Bally Tassel Detail Top, I really love this top, friends. I love the print. I love the balloon sleeve. However, this is a size medium, which would normally be fine, but it has a built-in tank top, and the tank top was really small and ill-fitting. So if I got this top, if you guys think this is a good one for me, I will request to buy it, but in a large. And this Daniel Rain top is $68. Okay, and then we have the Lily Pulitzer. This is the Tatum Fringe Hem cardigan, and it's $118. That's expensive. What do you guys think of this? For me, it just almost seemed too bright white. I have several long cardigans like this in a rust color. I got a great Madewell one in this video, and it wasn't even this expensive. So I'm kind of leaning to no on this, but I would love your feedback. It's soft. I like the link. I like the fringe. Maybe if it came in another color, a rust color or an olive green, I'd be more interested. This Daniel Rain top, I also really like. This one's $68. It's the Bilson Pleat Detail Top. It does have all this pleating. I like the length. I like the silky feeling. This would be a great top for me for work. So both the Daniel Rain tops are $68. I think it's a little bit expensive. They're not silk or anything, but they're kind of perfect. But so let me know what you think. If you had to decide between these ones, which one would you get? Or should I get them both? And I think I would upsize in both of them. I think in Daniel Rain, I might be a large, not a medium. Okay, and last but not least are these Driftwood jeans. Let's see, the price on the Driftwood jeans are $98. That's actually not bad. I know the embroider ones can be like over $100. I'm gonna hold out, I think, for the embroidery. I don't think these were anything that special. They weren't comfortable. They look like a high rise, but they're really not that high, and they were too long. So these were very long. I like the wash on them, and they are kind of soft. So if you're looking for a pair of flare jeans, these might be right for you, but for me, I'm gonna say no. So I really need your help. When this video goes out, I have like 2 or 3 days to make my selections. What do you think about the earrings and the 2 Daniel Rain blouses? Should I reconsider the jeans or the Lily Pulitzer sweater? I would love your help. It helps me a lot. So make sure you leave a comment and let me know what was your favorite item. What do you think I should keep? And I have an entire unboxing playlist of Stitch Fix, ThredUp, wholesale boxes. So if you want to binge watch some of those mystery unboxings, check out that playlist. I'll see you friends in the next video. Thanks for your help.